Okay, so we are back with developing a game with Ncurses and C. So let's see what I have. Oh yes, I have the frame count, adaptive rendering of the game. So yes, I have some stuff. So what if I want to make a game? What would I need? Well, I need to probably draw text because I would like to make some sort of RPG game. So let's be able to draw text then. Let's go to UI. I have UI text and I want to draw the text. So here let's make this work then. So when I draw text, one of the things I want to know for sure is the align. Yes, here it is, text align type. So let's go like you guys saw I was working with JavaScript recently. Then equals I believe it was like that, right? Yes, text. So for it equals 0, equals good, and I want to draw it inside. I want to write inside this box, so we have a box here, and I want to draw text inside that box. So one of the things I would like to do is probably be like, okay, oh, but I want also to take in account the one of the things I want to take in account is basically the how to call it screen size and stuff like that, like how I do make this responsive. Oh, I can actually make this responsive by drawing direct here, like draw point, draw border direct. The position will be like this. Okay. Okay, so yeah, probably I want this. Right. Direct. Okay, so yes, that's your the trick. And now I know that my X position here will be probably like UI plus text red dot cost of X. This is a geometry element, it's cost and size. So think UI equals 0. And now I have some sort of things, like for example, if you align, that should be here, align, yes. What kind of align I have? Align center, align left, align right, align middle, align top. If we align and it has align left, then X will have text rest align right, plus equals yes minus text length. Perfect. Then if the align is switch SE align middle, align center actually. And here how it will go. It will go probably actually I would like the half point minus this, like the half point will be like by 2 this will be like the half point between this and this, the middle point will be this. It's, mathematically speaking, this should be the same as should doing I of this divided by 2 for some reason. For some reason. Okay, so this will be the line, the horizontal line. Now let's go with the vertical line. If I line top, nothing has to be done. Actually, I can just go like text breadth equals x, and the line left here is not necessary. Well, actually, yes, it's necessary because no, don't say nothing. Align left, no, align top, that should enough. Align bottom, let's see. If align bottom, it means UI plus Choose UI. Font size high minus text length. Well, actually, there is no need for minus here. That's about it. Let's align. Is it my vertical line? UI. So yes, probably what I want here is basically the middle point between these. Align top. Yeah, it is. Post UI. So yes, this should be good enough for me for now, because with this I should be able to align the text in the screen according to the line flags. Now let's just draw the text, because right now I am drawing but nothing. So yes, I want you, and I want to draw you now. It's correct. It's okay. So basically what I want is like my UI, my X, and my character. That will be basically like the text UI, and the color pay will be the color. So yes, this should draw the text, and if everything is okay, yeah, I have my text. I should be able to draw some text though right now. So what is my shorthand function to generate text? This one. Create text. T equals create text. Right. Text ok equals let's create a shorthand for create rect though, because it's quite annoying, it's not? Rect, create rect, in X, in Y, in entry, geometry, I'm sorry. I don't have a geometry function, I believe. Geometry.c include For this show, I should use this to gain my rect. Hide, so hide, and let's return this as R. So I have my clear rect here, so I can avoid this, and I can just go like create rect, and my rect will be like 1, 1, 10, 10, and the text will be like pizza. Let's it would be nice to have some sort of style, like style border or something like that. But that's about as good as it gets, I believe. So let's go like draw elements T and game. Let's see how this goes. Okay, conflicted types. Oh, okay. Why is that completed types though? Previous declaration of trade. Oh my goodness, I know what's going on now. Yes, I know what's going on. My goodness. Create UI point, create UI rect, create UI border, create UI text. Point, let's say by create UI point. Create rect, create UI rect. Create text, create UI text. Yes, here we are going to now here right point, create text invalid initializer in render. Oh, here you want UI text and UI border. And the final reference to create UI border in the render. Okay. Oh, because I have I see I have a segmentation fault here. I wonder if it's because I am drawing the text though. I wonder if it's because I am creating a text though. Yeah, it seems to be related to create UI text. Geometry, create text. post X. Oh, it's post. No, actually, it's okay. Post size with height. Let me go with the create text. No, create. How is this create UI text giving me some issue here? Is this the issue? Yes, that's the issue here. I know why that's the issue though, because this UI text right here has no size yet. I have to use some very nice malloc here, like text equals malloc UI text equals malloc. What is the malloc calloc or something? Calloc. That's good for me. Size of char. How many characters though? Is that good enough? I wonder if that's good enough. Okay, render, here you are. Now let's try to wrap the text. So let's see how it goes. It's drawing it anywhere, not in the proper place. Now text. Let me go see what's going on here right now. Oh, because I do have to include here the game.position x, and I do have to include here I have to do also some kind of align, because there should be some sort of default align, like top left or something like that here. I have to also include here, like game UI, and I do want to include some sort of default align here, so let's go with align here, and align will be like align left and align top. No, actually, no, I don't need you. No, I don't need you at all. I have the text red pose already for that. Pizza? Which position is this pizza located, bro? One, let's say 5, 5, and 10. Ah, but the issue with that is 4. Yes. Pizza is there. Yeah, it's an issue with drawing text, but pizza is there. Okay, so what if I want to modify the align, like wait, align equals to align middle, align center, and let's write some make. This does not seem to be working right. Let's go by align center first. Okay, so if I go up, I have some issues here though, so I have to default some values here because I probably want the align top to be the default one. So divide you, and the same with you. I want you to be the default one. So goodbye, and you go here. Okay, so yeah, the line center seems not to be working great. And why should we do not the issue? Because it's the text rect position X with the text rect size. Oh, but the issue with this is, yeah, I kinda get it though. So this is the position, the screen size, and I should be using some kind of draw point here. I should be using the draw point function here, but without this, something similar to this. Draw chart. And position false. In color is character color draw position in the game. Okay, guys, I should be using that rect because if I want to use this draw, Draw plus Y, draw plus X. I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure good enough. I want to call draw now. You probably want to go. I don't want to use this rectangle, so I want to use the original rectangle. I'm probably going to use it. E box dot one E box size E box dot post Y E box, and actually more easily I can just do this. Text right E box post Y E box E box E box group by U. And then I should be able to use the draw character. Here. And if I draw this character, yes, of course, again, the color. What is P? P though. UI text P. Okay, why it's P, I don't know, but that's okay. P text character, and I want to create a position with X and Y here. So I want to go to geometry, create pose, int UI X Y. Position. Position, create pose, X, Y, position, pose, position, P dot fine, P dot X equals X, P dot Y equals Y, return P, pose equals, create pose, X, Y. I could do a create size, but that's about it. Pizza. Okay, so that's somehow interesting, but it's not exactly what I was looking for because UI. And what if we go with draw chart? Draw position. And what if I get here? I say 5 zone. Why is it like that? Because the UI value should not be changing at all. Why is it changing though? Oh, I know what could be happening. I know what could be happening. Yes, it's you. You should stay as Y. Pizza. That's good enough for me. Align center XX. Wait. Here. Okay. Size. Wait. Let's just set all the proper sizes here. Game dot size and height. Not going to draw because, but if I hide this, so probably what one of the things I want to do is that this to be -1, this to be -1, this to be +1, and this to be +1. Yes, the game border I prefer it to be like this. This way I can use 0 and 1 as I want. Okay, this pizza seems to be aligned good in center. Now let's add some aligned middle here. Nice, look at that. Now let's add some aligned right. Here actually the aligned right. Well, that should not be happening because let me see what's going on then. Oh, maybe because it has to be size +2 and +2 probably. Let me try something now. 0.00. Good. And let's point game size wide. Game size but high. Interesting. So this white border why is that this? Zero. Zero. Why is that this border is not? There is something wrong with this draw border then. Oh, but I actually want to draw. I start at 0 and I end there. That's the whole point of this. Draw border and draw red. You too. If you're size 0, I draw nothing. If you're size 1, I draw. But does this make any sense at all or not? -1, -1. +1 and +1. Perfect. Yeah, that's a good border for me. Yeah, that's a good size border. And yeah, that should make things work too. Change size, width, change height. Align right. Align left. Perfect. Align center. Align top. Align middle. Perfect. And then align bottom. Okay, the line bottom did not work, which is unfortunate because for which reason it didn't work though. And the line bottom will be like -1. No, that's fine. But actually, no, I don't want the pose. What I am doing? Like bottom, I want this. Okay, so is this thing the issue here? Yes. Why is giving me that issue, bro? Oh, because I want to draw it inside. Actually, I am not sure why this is an issue, bro. That is the box position plus the box size. What is the position of the box? 0. 0 plus size. This size and if I do this, then that should work. So basically it's saying to me that the box what happens with the box here, because this draw chart, let draw position 0 frame screen post x equals 5 post x 0. If it's 0 0, stay like post x post I, that's fine. But what happens if I actually draw this here? Like, let me try something here. For me, this shows. Let me try the UI border though. Draw border. Okay, so UI plus reg host dot x. Oh no, I understand. No, basically what I want is not. It will be 0 plus -1 plus -1, and this is okay. So basically what I want is +2 probably, not +1 but +2. But if I do +2 then, but it's not exactly right because the other one is properly drawing. Oh no, because fine. It was working because of this. Okay, now it's perfect. Perfect. Very perfect. Okay. So yeah, that's good enough for me because actually I would need this refresh. Probably I need this -4 here after all. Yes, I needed that. What about -6? Okay, perfect. Yes, so I need this. In order to make it work. But if post y it's actually this -1. With this I can probably afford doing this. Yes, it seems I can afford doing this though. Right. Yes, that's far better for me. And let me see how it's my. Let's just do something awful. I know this isn't great. Basic responsiveness and steps. Okay, so I have my save comics now. Now I should be able to Yes, I have this working as expected, not great. Now let's say goodbye to this. I can actually remove all of this to scroll the border. One thing I always want to draw is probably my game border, so goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's create a function here. Now game border was in and let's just show the border of the game like yes, go here. Oh, of course. The game, of course. I can actually put the game. I can put this here. I can have the border as a separate thing, and I can then actually want to draw the border last. So I never want something to get out of the border. So I can probably draw all the other and the background as black. Probably yes, I can do that. Probably I could totally do that. The game print will not work, but I have some solution for that. That's no issue at all. Unless it's no issue for me. So let's draw the border and now let's draw all the other stuff that it's not the border like. Now let's insert black. Also specify the okay, so what if I want to draw black? What if I want to draw black in the background? Okay, so what That's wrong. Uh, so if I use default colors, what if I call use default colors? So, oh, yeah, color black doesn't exist. Well, that's fine for me. Oh, that's far better. But here I want to use -1 instead of black. -1 instead of black. And -1 instead of black. Okay, so I like this far more. Okay, so yes, so this should work pretty nice. Increase terminal size. Okay, fine, perfect. Status. Keep. Let me go with Nike here. Okay, so yes, now that is far better. And now what I want to do though is to I want to make sure that anything that goes outside the screen is not round or that something apart. Now I'm being able to draw the how to call this. I forgot the name for this. Okay. Figure point, figure rectangle. Okay, so I'm kind of lost. What I want to do now is to draw elements in a terminal like No, I'm sorry, I'm kind of lost. Okay, so I have my text row and all of this. I would probably want to start cleaning this up and setting up the one thing is the game and the other will be the game logic, but I will probably call this the engine instead of the game. Because if I make another game in the future I want to use this. So I probably will name this instead of game into engine, and the game will be like all of this is part of the engine more than the game. Engine render, engine loop, engine end, can, engine render, engine print. But then I want the game to be something apart, like aside from this. So let's stop renaming all of this to engine. And this is okay that it's called name, but well, I could call it engine on it. Well, I don't know, this is quite a thing. I probably want to be able to pass the game random some sort of function or callback to call. Like, yeah, I want to be able to pass some sort of callback to the game render. So when I start a game and it reaches the game render part, it renders that callback. How to do this? Not though. Or I can just rename all of this to engine. Yeah, let's rename all this to engine. Alright, right now let's create something called game logic. And this game logic will be the part of the code that is related to I probably want to do some things though, so let me go like this, like how to call this. Session. Let's go to include, make the engine. Let's move all of these with engine. Let's go to 15, make the engine, and let's move everything to engine, geometry, engine, game, engine, UI into engine. Let's see what happens if I go like. I would probably want to make a new now that okay, we add engine. So yes, basically I want to go now into every single. Which file is this? Okay, so yes, I want to put engine, export. Oh, because now it should be engine 2 probably. Yes, I know what's going on now. I want to go into every single of these. Draw, hit 2, engine, engine. Yes. Okay. UI. Engine, engine, engine. Okay, so the project. How to get directories. Okay, some approaches to handle this are add a single UI directory. Okay. Include engine. Indifferent reference name. And the time reference. Okay, let's go to the classic one. file and so. See here. Inventory. Automate volumes between possibly the following. Is it good? Yes, it's exactly what I want. This seems like conflict deal, big deal. I'm not sure I like this though, but geometry, not search file or directory. Which file? Oh, okay. Here I see. Why? I'm gonna find reference to oh, I have to include any course. I am so silly. I forgot to include any courses here. I forgot to tell that to the engine though. Okay, so let's go to the make file here. reflects. Okay, so we want to add the it's up to date. But then we go to oh great. So yes, it seems to be creating the epic field there. But what if we rename this to game actually? And when I properly build this, I want another file called play game. Compile and play it. Right? Basically, it will should be like make and see. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted, yes. Thanks, you right? So I did some refactor here then. I did modify the light file. I did create this template and I want to ignore PM and refactor of structure. But not put at all yet. So yes, with this I should have some sort of what to call this, some sort of function here by now. And functionality, no, that's not my didn't know, but this one, yes. Miss, wait, oh, wait, ignore being fine. So perfect. My make file basically now. Compile and play. Now let's see if this actually works. So I actually want to rename this from game to render. So let's start with this. This is going to be like render, and all of you are going to be render like. Can render renderer, renderer. Okay, so yeah, it's here my renderer. Render. So I'm going to replace you from game into render. Yes, I'm going to replace. Let's find all that starts with like game and replace it. And replace it with going with the renderer. Renderer. Okay, so all of this is render, and now let's find everything that does with game and replace it with renderer. Renderer, renderer end, renderer loop. Now let's go with everything about the game. Wait. Render. Render. I want to replace all of this for render. Hit game. Oh, all that was like game. We will replace with renderer. Type of renderer. Now renderer folder. Go incoming render right now. Okay, so render print, render. This is more like render, for me it's like ancient print. I am okay with calling you ancient. I can call you ancient render. I can call you engine them. Size. Render loop. Okay, so that's about it. Let's move this actually from here. We are doing a proper factor of all of this. Render C. And here now I'm going to move you from here into render. ¿Cómo estás, señor? Okay, this should be good enough. Refresh render size. Renderer. Renderer. It's better to do this now and not initialize renderer. Renderer. Okay, so render loop, render ends. We go here like renderer here. Here I want to be a renderer 2. There want to be a renderer here. And render print. No, actually this is engine print. I know this is basically destroying my mind for free, but it's worth it. So engine render. Basically I don't have a game yet. Should start renderer. Current render. Yes, this is what I have, a render. Init render, yes. Render and render loop, render and current renderer. Okay. Basically, this is what I have right now. Some sort of renderer that we are using, but it's just that it's a renderer. Let's change other. Everything that's game is going to be renamed as renderer. Everything that's game is going to be as renderer. Fine. fine. Geometry, terminal, UI. Okay, we are going to be what happens if I do make? How this will break? Well, actually, let's make T and declare here it is and declare. Oh, look at this. Undefined reference to render print. Oh, I know why. Or maybe actually I didn't block anything apart without print, 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 print. Okay, I cannot believe this is working though. It's working and that's great because I literally renamed a lot of stuff. Yes, this is pretty nice because now rename game called render. Okay, so now I have my renderer, and what I want is that when I render something, the game logic to be apart, so I can have my so I should be able to. I have this is part of the engine, not of the game logic, and the game logic will be everything that happens inside this renderer. So, how to modify my game logic now? And I can have this as my and here should can play with this. We should render, okay. I can go to my make file now. I have my engine directory, but I have to have my game. Yes. Okay, so basically it will be like will be going like this. Combine with all of this also. Maybe the Ncurses and the engine. Okay, so I have my software, and here I also need شاف وين شاف القرص هذا شاف في كردب